Welcome to the Base Face Network.
To start this look, I used a white eyeliner and basically made my template outline of the spider web around each eye. I decided to do one on the top and one on the bottom. You can follow the same, do both on top, both on bottom, whichever you prefer. But I found using the white eyeliner made it really easy to decide the size and shape and placement of where the rhinestones are going to be. Then taking my eyelash glue, I traced over top the white eyeliner in sections and applied the rhinestones over top. This does take some patience, and I highly recommend using this pencil tool. It makes it super easy to pick up each rhinestone individually. It's basically just a wax pencil. I'll link everything that I used down in the description if you want to pick anything up. So repeat the process. Again, I do recommend applying this in sections so your glue doesn't dry before you're ready to apply. Then I took a small liner brush and a little bit of black eyeshadow around the edges just to create some depth. This is just an optional added step to intensify the design. I also added mascara to my bottom lash line and black eyeliner to my waterline. I applied some black contact lenses, some little plastic spider rings, and a wig. Then add your lashes and finish your makeup however you would like. And this look is complete. It's super easy, especially for anyone wanting to do more of a spooky glam style look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment what you plan on being this year. I would love to know. Make sure you're still subscribed to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.